Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Zebronics Bluetooth speaker. First, make sure your speaker has sufficient power, either fully charged or plugged in. Then, press and hold the power button for about 3 to 5 seconds until you see a flashing LED light. This light, often blue or white, signals that your speaker is now ready to be paired with another device. It's a crucial first step to getting your music playing. Next, grab the device you want to connect your speaker to, whether it's your phone, tablet, or computer. Go into its settings menu and find the Bluetooth option. Once you've located it, simply tap or click to turn Bluetooth on. Your device will then begin searching for nearby Bluetooth-enabled gadgets, preparing to discover your Zebronics speaker. This step is quick and essential for establishing the wireless link. Now that your device's Bluetooth is active, it will automatically start scanning for available connections. You should see a list of nearby Bluetooth devices appear. Look for your Zebronics speaker's specific name in this list. It usually begins with Zebronics or Zeb, followed by a model number. Once you spot it, simply tap or click on its name. This action will prompt your device to attempt to connect and pair with your speaker. After selecting your speaker, listen for a confirmation sound from the Zebronics unit or observe its LED light, which should now be solid, not flashing. On your device, the Bluetooth menu will also confirm the connection, showing your speaker as connected or paired. With the connection established, you are all set. You can now open your favorite music app or video and enjoy high-quality audio streaming through your Zebronics speaker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.